Yeah, Mr. Salman, what do you gonna speak? In English? Yeah, in Hindi.
Yeah, in English.
In English. Okay, what will you speak?
Yeah.
What will you speak?
I will talk about some consideration of the APJ Abdul Kalam and also tell them about myself.
Okay. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, that is your aim like this?
Yeah, not aim, but I am very inspired by him and his work for the nation.
Very good, it's fantastic. I hope you will speak perfectly and fluently.
Yeah.
So, good afternoon everyone. Firstly, I would like to say big thanks to Mr. Alam sir and the Speak Nice English Academy that they finally provide the opportunity to the student to speak with each other and also get the environment, because it is something which you are lacking here, that you are not coming here to come on this on the podium, or you can say the stage, and it is the thing from where you can start your journey to the English language. Because so Alam sir, firstly I would like to admire the efforts which he took to the society, the work he is doing, which is very good for the society, and it is as good as the SN English Academy in this society, and the efforts he is putting for the society, which is literally bringing the drastical change in the personality of many lives. And yeah, I am very sure in the end of the day you all will be able to speak, and you would be flying in the sky by your speaking English and communication skill, because in this world, like you all know the importance of English communication skill. It has become the official and the global language of the world. If you know the English language, then you are the one who will get the more opportunity than others, and you will be the one who will be getting the more earning from the others. So this is the importance of English language. And now I would like to tell you something about myself. So my name is Mohammad Salman. I belong to UP, and I am putting up in Delhi itself. And I did my class 12 from Government Boys Senior Secondary School in 2019, and I did my 12 in 2021 with a great, you can say I topped in class 12. That was an opportunity for me to take admission in Delhi University. That time I was getting admission in 6 universities, and I chose the one which is Motilal Nehru College, because I was somewhere or the other I am inspired by the Jawaharlal Nehru. So I took the admission of the father of the Jawaharlal Nehru, Motilal Nehru College. That's why I chose that college. And right now I am pursuing my BA program with the combination of political science and history, because this is the genre, or you can say the combination where I want to make my career bright. And now I would like to quote the famous phrase of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, from which I am inspired so much. So he said, if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun, which was the phrase which got popularized in 19th century. And he is also, you all know, you must have heard the Missile Man of India, APJ Abdul Kalam. He is also known as the Missile Man of India. And if you want to go through from his biography, you can read the book which is Wings of Fire, very famous book of the biography with Arun Tiwari of APJ Abdul Kalam. So I read that book, and I personally would like to suggest you that book, because in the journey of getting success of Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he did so many works to make our nation feel proud. Because of APJ Abdul Kalam, we launched our first satellite in the space in 1988, and that was the moment for our whole nation, when we were cheering up the movement for APJ Abdul Kalam. And he also became the 11th President of India on 18 July 2002. So this is something about APJ Abdul Kalam. If you talk about the consideration or the observation of that book which I talked about, the Wings of Fire, you can take out the 3 things which I personally learned from that book. The first thing is that he said, don't ever lose out yourself or your humble nature for the society, even if you are made the president of the entire nation. Here he is trying to say that guys, if you want to become something, absolutely you will become, after becoming, that is the point where you have to keep that thing in mind, that you don't have to lose your humble nature for the people those became the part of your success. Don't ever forget them. And the second consideration which I took from that book, that was the very good thing which I believe, that always respect your subordinate. You all are colleagues to each other, and you are the comrade for each other. The comrade is also the movie name, you can see. Comrade is the word. The meaning of the comrade is someone who is always there to support you, to guide you, to admire you, to be there for you in even failure of your success, failure of your life. So it is something which I learned from the APJ Abdul Kalam's biography, which you all must go through. And in the last, I would like to say that arise, awake, and keep following your goals until it is achieved. Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Salman. एक बार और जोरदार तरीके से क्लैप कर दिए Mr. Salman के लिए. Okay, mashallah, you are speaking very nice and fantastic. Okay, may I ask you some questions?
Yeah,
You are
you can.
speaking is nice, but
Am I audible?
हाँ,
No.
okay.